Good afternoon, everybody. This is again Daniel Godreau with Gyro-Trac, the CEO. I like today to talking about the refurbished machine. I'll tell you why. I just arrived from Quebec. I spent 5 months. That's the first time I spent 5 months every day at the factory in Quebec. And by the way, it's cold. I spent 5 months to keep my promise that the machine, the brush chipper, is going to be ready for November. That's why I was on it. At the same time, I look at my team working on the trade machine that we're taking when we sell a new machine, and how they strip down this machine from all the way to the ground, the fuel tank, everything. I was impressed. I gave my order to say, hey, let's do a good job. But now I saw it from my eye, from the beginning to the end. And I say, look a minute, we have a machine here that's a refurbished 25, and I can talk again. If you're not in the market to spend $400,000 and $500,000, you can spend $220,000 to $35,000 on this machine, and we will show you what my team is doing. We strip down, refurbish the pump, cut ahead, drum, balance, bearing, all the other decline, harness. We put Nexus because we don't want to sell any used machine or refurbished machine without Nexus. You can save $200,000. It looked like a new machine. Look, on the carriage, we put the steel track on the carriage. You can have the soft track on the carriage. We have Nexus Plus One, all the sensor, troubleshooting, the new stream on the cab. We refurbished the cab. Guys, I think that you really have to look at it closely. You can save a lot of money if you're not in the market to buy a brand new at $400,000 to $500,000. Look at this one. We take your trade. If you have a used machine and you decide to buy a refurbish, I don't even need to look at your machine. I gave you 50 grand. If you buy a new machine, I gave you 100 grand. But I don't need to look at it because we strip down everything. Yeah, you can close the door, Jordan. And that's everything I got for you today. And thank you very much for watching.